love practicing this number every day in class with kids. Can we do it again? They always want to do it again. This is the first time they're doing it in public, though. So let's give them a round of applause for our Tamahine. They worked really hard to be here. You know, we made each child, they had to climb their own coconut tree, pick their own leaves, and make their own hats. No, I'm just kidding. That's too dangerous, too much liability.
Our instructor for kids, Auntie Nalani, put one thing about the other way.
Auntie Nalani is so lucky to have the job of being responsible for all these crazy tamahines. How about a round of applause for Auntie Nalani? She's smiling right now, but she really wants to take off her slipper and go, wrong way, get it like, pop. All messed up, she said.